Good morning, mate. You're Mark. No, you're not Mark Schneider. I'm Mark Schneider. Yeah, and you're watching Schneider Class. That's one way to start a video. As you can tell, the Camaro's out there. The welder's in here. There's a big sheet of metal. What are we doing today in a shop? Well, it's the weekend, and this is the shop I work for, and I got to build some nice big old guards for these things. They're off right now, so that's good. We got called down our safety to have belt guards. We don't have belt guards, obviously. These things have been here for years without them, but they got to be done. So I'm building work some belt guards. Sweet. I'm tired. I don't want to do this. I want to go back to bed. Can I go back to bed? You can't buy any guards for them. You can't get any guards for them. So what's the best next thing? Big old tin. Called the Tin Man, apparently. I'm not necessarily going to say this is the correct way. This is the way I'm doing it. So I guess I better get to work. Rough measurement. How high is that? Bottom there to the top. Let's see, 20, 31, 13, 74. 74. Alright, let's see if our metal. That's for the smaller one. A 35. That's 59 plus 59 plus 54. 74. Oh, both 70. Alright. Both are roughly 74 because one's shorter and one's taller. So that's okay. Or one's longer and one's taller. I don't know. Words. Roughly. We're a bit short, so we're not going to be able to go fully down like I want, but we just need a top guard, so that's okay. All I need is our width. That's 3, so we'll make one 3.5. We'll make them both 3.5 because, well, that gives us plenty of room to definitely get our fingers in there and shred them. You know, like that's Yep. Now, I may make these pieces longer, so I might cut more off and extend this. But this is the biggest piece of metal I could get on short notice. Ah, shoot. I messed up anyways. That's why I draw on chalk. So our center has to be 3.5. Because I'm going to be adding a guard to it, I'm going to need 1 inch on either side of that 3.5. So, remeasure. So maybe I should make one first and then do it all again.
When the sun sets, I'm ready to let go, 'cause that's all I know. Just wanna dance the night away. 'Cause it seems to me that we choose to be lost souls in a world of possibility. You gotta let go, feel the music in your soul, 'cause nothing else matters tonight. You gotta get loose. Move your feet, no use. Feeling incomplete. The truth will set you free. Get lost in the beat. Get lost in the beat. When life gets hold on you, just know that's how we grow. You just gotta dance the night away. 'Cause it seems to me that we choose to be lost souls in a world of possibility. You gotta let go, feel the music in your soul. 'Cause nothing.
So here you can see I added a bar in the back just for some structural. I would like to do like a chicken. I'm not going to do it because this doesn't matter. It's not that. There's no guard. I would like to do on that side a chicken mesh. Like do a chicken mesh from there to there. It just makes this thing way stronger. And you want this strong because, well, if the belt flies off, you want this to protect it. No, that's the whole reason why I went back and I welded all of these up from the inside. Is because you don't want it to hit that, because one layer of metal is not. A C channel is way stronger than a flat piece of metal. That's the reason it's C channel. And yeah, it would be nice to chicken mesh it, but I'm probably not going to do it for this thing. I might do it if he wants me to do it in the future, but whatever. That's what I would do for my stuff if I had more time. Put a chicken mesh in the back there, so it's nice. The way I've figured out to mount this, so I gotta make some cuts. I'm just doing an L bracket. So they slide in right there and go into the top 2 bolts of the compressor. I'm gonna elongate them so it's adjustable, obviously. Same with the reason of with the reason with this is too long, but that is because, well, this motor is adjustable for the belt and pulley, so I want it to have room for adjustable for the future. But it's coming up nicely. I just got to make a notch because the cylinder head. Make that notch, round off all the corners, and she'll look good. Now that I got one done, don't mind my welds. I'm not a welder, I'm a grinder. Don't worry about it. My rule has always been, as long as you penetrate through and you can tell by the heat that's been put into it. That's paint. There's no paint there because the heat's got into it. That's always been my rule. If she's a good weld, if she holds, who cares what she looks like? Because I'm not a welder. I don't do it 24/7 for every hour and stuff. I do welding like a couple times throughout the month. So I also could use a better welder. I used to make really good welds with my buddy's Lincoln welder. My welder, I make okay welds. I also haven't changed the tip in like a year, and the tip's going. I need a new tip, but whatever.
Get loose. Move your feet. No use. Feeling incomplete. The truth will set you free. Get lost in the beat. Get lost in the beat.
So I'm all done. I'm gonna see if he wants them painted or if he wants them a bit more heavier duty, but because they're pretty light, But they are on, and work. So that's that. Work well. I'm tired. I'm done. Packing all my stuff up. I worked 6 straight hours on this, getting this done. Yeah, I'm tired.